The given table shows a preference schedule for an election with 5 candidates, A, B, C, D, and E. Find the complete ranking of the candidates using the plurality with elimination method. Alright, the first thing that we need to do is we need to go ahead and look at this table and determine which candidates received how many first place votes. That's where we're going to go with this thing. So let's start with candidate A. And candidate A right here has 4 first place votes and also has 2 first place votes. So we can say that A has 4 plus 2 which is 6 votes. And these are first place votes. And then we're going to look at candidate B. We see that B has 6 first place votes. And then we will look at candidate C. C has a total of 4 first place votes. So we have 4. And then we will look at candidate D. Candidate D has 5 first place votes, which means that candidate E must be eliminated. So E has no first place votes. So we'll go ahead and eliminate candidate D. That means we're going to slice him out here, or her, in every place that I am doing orange. And what's going to happen now is the table itself is going to shift. And everywhere that candidate E has been eliminated, we're going to shift everything up. For example, this A will move up to this spot, this D will move up to this spot, and this C will move up to this spot. And we'll do that in all of the columns. Alright, now we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to go ahead and look at first place votes, and then we're going to eliminate the next one down. So once again, we'll start with A. And we note that A has 6 first place votes. And then we'll go ahead and go with B. B has 6 first place votes. Then we'll talk about C, which in this case has 4 first place votes. And then we consider D, and D has 5 first place votes. So after all is said and done, C will be eliminated. And so we will go ahead and we will cross through C wherever we see C. And then once again, we're going to move everything up. This first column, there's nothing that we can do. This second column, we will move these 2 up. We're going to do this. We're not going to do anything here. This column, all 3 of these will be moved up, just like we did, and so on through the other 2 columns, just like we did in the previous table. So now we have a table that has 3 rows. And we're going to do exactly the same thing that we've done before. We're going to go ahead and we're going to consider first place votes. Once again, A has 4 plus 2, which is equal to 6 first place votes. B now has a different total because of the way things have shifted up. So that will be 6 plus 1, which means B has 7 first place votes. And then we will talk about D. And D now is in the enviable position of having 8 first place votes. And so when we look at these, we see that A has the least number, so A must be eliminated. And we will do the same thing that we did in the previous two tables. A will be eliminated in all 5 columns. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to compare simply B and D. So we look at B, there, there, and there. And so B is going to have 6 plus 4 plus 1, which is going to be equal to 11. And then D will have 5 plus 3 plus 2, which is equal to 10. And so we can say that D is eliminated here. Now we don't need to rewrite the table again, because now what we're going to do is we're going to write the ranking based upon how they were eliminated in reverse order. So since B was the last one standing, that's how we're going to write that. So here's our ranking. B is the last one standing. Then D was eliminated. Then A was eliminated. Then C was eliminated. And then E was eliminated. So remember, E was the first one that was eliminated, then C was the second one, A is the third one, D is the fourth one, and B would be the last one standing. So this is our ranking. And we can see from the rankings inside MyMathLab that what I came up with is indeed the correct answer.